DORs, hey, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking Canopy Showerheads, and this is our 1 week update or honest review on the Canopy Showerhead. Now, I know my wife loves it. However, to be fair, it takes both of us to give you an honest review. Let's take a look. All right, DORs, making our way inside the bathroom, and here it is, our newly installed Canopy Showerhead. Scrolling above right now, as well as down below in the comments and description, is a link on how to properly and safely install this. It is very friendly, and we have the massage adapter installed on the head. As you can see, the prong sticking out. And DIYers, this again is a 1 week update, and I will give you right off the bat my wife's favorite aspect or feature with this, the water pressure. She says it's absolutely amazing, second to none. In addition, coming to the very back, we have the diffuser that has the oil on it. And we talk about that, and you will see us apply the oil to that diffuser in that video that I was just mentioning. In addition to the water pressure, which honestly is one of her favorite features with this upgrade, is the overall performance that it provides when lathering up soap, shampoo, and face cleanser or cleaner. And in addition to that, rinsing is a definite increase in overall quality. She says it rinses her hair much nicer, and when she's all done and the hair is dry, her hair feels so much cleaner and healthier. Coming down below, we have a 3-way water valve setup, and far left is the hot, far right is the cold, and we have our center diverter. I'm going to turn both hot and cold on and then pull the diverter out and redirect all water from the spout all the way up to the shower head. And you will see the water pressure. It's incredible. Look at that. Again, her absolute favorite aspect of this upgrade Canopy Showerhead. And she loves it. Look at that. And standing here right now, on my left arm, I can feel airflow or a slight breeze of wind. And the water coming out and going inside the tub is generating basically a unique airflow that honestly, standing right here, I can feel it. And what I'll do is come back down below and turn everything off. And the diverter retracts, and the shower head is now off. And again, inside there is that incredible impurity improving filter for overall quality. And again, a 1 week update. Her favorite part is the water pressure and the additional features or bonuses. Again, lathering up so much better than before. And we do not have a water softener system nor a salt brine system here. So, pre-Canopy Showerhead, it wasn't really lathering up that friendly. In addition, again, shampoo, soap, facial cleanser, or cleaning solutions lather up so much better, as well as the hair rinses so much better and feels so much cleaner. Alright, DORs, hey, breaking the action, and again, I just gave you my wife's honest opinion and review. However, as I mentioned in the very beginning of the video, during the intro, it takes both of our honest reviews to give you an absolute, true, and honest review. Again, my wife absolutely loves it. She has all pros, no cons. However, for me, of course, there's definitely pros. Because as I mentioned, we do not have a water softener installed in our home. And before we had this filtered Canopy Showerhead, you really had to fight the soap and water to get the soap to lather. But now that we have this filtered showerhead, it is no longer a fight. The soap for me lathers up very nicely. So again, that's the pro, and honestly the additional dermatologist features an oil scent or spa scent experience is a pro. But for me, there is one con. And again, although my wife absolutely loves the water pressure, for me personally, it's just a little too much water pressure. However, I'm just one person out of the billions in this world. The water pressure being a little bit less powerful would transition it from a con to a pro, no doubt. So again, that's our true honest review. My wife absolutely loves it, and so do I. But again, for me, that water pressure is just a little too powerful. Thanks again for watching, DIYers. And definitely check out the links down below in the comments and description. There will be links on where to purchase parts, as well as how to install it and replace the filter.